Over $8,000 right there. We got a white truck. There's a multiplier too, so everything we win. And when we're all done, we can multiply it by 2. Unless we get like a cop car or something, but I don't see one in there. But there is, you pointed out, real quick like. We got 12 of them Bitcoins too, that fell from that big old Bitcoin tower. It's doing real good. There's what, 4 gold bars in there? Oh nice, I just got one of them. Oh nice. We lost a gold bar and a couple $100, but that's okay. We're gonna make a ton of money from that multiplier. The white truck. It didn't look damaged at all, so that's a good thing. Very robust truck.